Really? He went to the bowling house in Hilo like a couple weeks ago. Why don't you know when she hasn't died? I thought maybe he would be here. No, he was in Hilo, like, remember Jenna?
How's it? Oh, three of us, yeah. 네.
How many in your group? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
comments here from Cheddar Studios.
It was like trying to get to that old translation of the old language, and to be able to like coach Jason, help out with the team, and being able to speak the language was really important. And why? Because at one point our people only had 10%, there's only 10% of us that can speak the language fluently. Most of them on Niihau, right?
This guy is trying to help people, but hurting people at the same time. So that was the hardest part for me. But David Cunningham, our amazing director, the whole time he was like, nope, you think you're doing the right thing. Just keep going with that.
My experience was, I think I was there the longest, which I had no complaints about. It was awesome. We got to hang out on this, beautiful property for like, I was there for 30 days. Everybody keeps saying that we shot it in 16 days. I was there for 30 days, and my wife's like, hey, what do you mean you shot it in 16 days?
Our Judge Hawaii. So you are fluent in Samoan. How did that either help or hinder you with Olelo?
E mumola ona whaftai, ma awe si le viinga mo whaftai e le tua. A wao le tua lava e mau ai le rona rofa ia tātou rana whanau. My being able to speak Samoan translated well with being able to adapt to the Hawaiian language, because the Samoan language and the Hawaiian language are very similar.
We are going to have casting crew available through the weekend, so we still have tomorrow as well. Please share the word. We would love to be able to share this story with as many people as possible. Let's give it another round of applause.
Okay.